Welcome back, gardeners. Today, we're focusing on planting peppers directly in your garden. We'll walk you through the process, covering essential tips on spacing, planting depth, and why well-draining soil is key to healthy pepper plants. Start by ensuring your garden bed is ready. Peppers need well-draining soil to prevent waterlogging and root rot. If your soil is heavy or clay-like, mix in some compost or sand to improve drainage and add organic matter for better soil structure. When it comes to spacing, give each pepper plant about 18 to 24 inches of space in all directions. This allows for proper air circulation, reducing the risk of disease and giving each plant plenty of room to grow. Plant each pepper seedling at the same depth it was in its pot, making sure the root ball is fully covered but not buried too deeply. Once your holes are ready, place each seedling into the soil, gently firming the soil around the base to eliminate air pockets. After planting, water the seedlings thoroughly to help them establish strong roots. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged as your peppers grow. With the right spacing, depth, and soil preparation, your pepper plants will be off to a great start in your garden. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy planting!